Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use DALI application on color touchscreen. First we connect obviously our computer to our controller using the Cat5 cable, and then we open the manager, we click on search, and we wait for it to find our controller. Okay, found the controller. That's the IP address. We can go and change these parameters if we need to. For example, I like to change this controller ID to 2 and click on update. And then we wait a couple of seconds and we try again. Okay, it's changed the ID to 2. In case you have any problem, you may want to change your computer or put your computer in the same range as this one. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. Okay, to put our computer in the same range as the controller, we go to Start, Control Panel, and if you have this View by Category, then you go to Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing and go to Change Adapter Settings. Okay, in this case I've got my controller connected to this connection, local area connection 3, but in most cases you probably have local area connection 2 if you have the wireless. But find your local area connection, right click on it, to Properties, then you go into the Internet Protocol version 4, one click there, and then click on Properties, and then select use the following IP address. Okay, 192.168.8, and the last digit you just put something in the same range. For example, I just put 50. Okay, close. Okay, next we open our DALI wizard to address our fittings, etc. Go to Network, choose the controller, and line A, connect. Next. Okay, we do analyze. So we wait for this to finish. Okay, it's all done. Now we found all the DALI fluorescent lights. Next thing here, we can change the addresses. So we check them, the position, and we can change their address. Okay, in this case I've got 6 fittings here and address 1 to 6. That's all we need to do in wizard. Okay, next we open our DALI monitor program. The first thing we do is change the IP address. So this is for our controller IP. So 192.168.8.93. Okay, then we can connect our controller. Yeah, it's 192.168.8.93. Set our points. So we got on line A from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, save that. Okay, it's all done. Then we have to go to Groups tabs and create our groups. Okay, now we go to click on the Groups tab to create our groups. I'm gonna create 6 groups here. Say Add, the group name, group 1, say OK, create another 5, add group 2, and so on until 6. Okay, I've created 6 groups, group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the groups which will map in Picket program. Okay, so now we can put our points in the groups. So open group 1, points, I'll just put point 1 there. Okay, group 2, we just put point 2. Okay, and group 3, point 3, double click, add. Okay, group 4, double click, 4, add. Okay, 5, click, add. Okay, and the last one, put our group 6, we put point 6 in there. Okay, we've done all groups. What we need to do is now synchronize this. Settings, we synchronize with our controller. Okay, all done. So we finish with the monitor. Now we can go and start our Picket program and do our programming in CBus. Okay, before we start our Picket project, we need to have a dummy toolkit project. So add project, call it DALI. Okay, yes, call this local. Local serial and select our port. And we go to applications, go to lighting, then we just add groups. Okay, 5. Okay, that'll do for us, and that's all we need to do. And we can close our toolkit project now. Okay, now we open our Picket project, device type, make sure it's color. Next. Yeah, our project was DALI. Next. And we have to finish here. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is to map our CBus to DALI groups. Go to project, DALI, we say add. Okay, our network was local lighting, so we map our group 1. The controller ID was 2, control line A, and group 1, that's first one. The second one, that was group 2, control ID 2, line A, and DALI group 2. and so on. So we do all of them. 3, controller 2, A and 3. Next one, 4, A, 4. 5, 2, 5. And the last one, 6. Controller ID 2. Line A, DALI group 6. Okay, we've done all the groups. Close. Okay, now I'm gonna create a few scenes. Click on the scene button. Add. Go to scene components. 1 to 6. Okay. Scene 1, I want to put all the levels. Highlight all of them. And then levels 25%. 25%, okay. Then we duplicate that. Scene 2. Okay, this is our scene 2. We select group and set 75%. This one. Put 100%. Okay, change to 100. Okay, we have 3 scenes. Then we have one for off. Okay. Or 0%. Okay, so we got 4 scenes. Then we 4 buttons here. Copy them to see. Okay. Program each scene. Scene 1. Yeah. Next. Key function scene again. Scene 2. Third one. 3. And the last one. Scene 4, which is our off scene. Okay, next we go and test this. Okay, before we test our program, we go to project details. Click on DALI. Make sure this is enabled here. And finish. Okay, one more setting we need to check before we test our project is go to project details, click on DALI tab, and make sure the enable DALI mapping is ticked. Okay, then we finish that. On scene 1. Okay, now we checked our project by clicking on scene 1. Okay, then scene 2. Now scene 2. Scene 3. Scene 3. Scene 4, which is off scene. And scene 4, which is off.